Want to use WhatsApp Business on your computer? I'll show you how to do it in just few taps. First, go to your web browser on your PC and search for WhatsApp Business for PC. Now, tap on the official website. Here you can see download button. Select download for Windows. After the download is complete, open the exe file to start the installation. Follow the installation instructions, then launch the app on your PC. Once open, you'll see a QR code. Now grab a phone and log into your account using a QR code. Make sure your phone stays connected to the internet while using WhatsApp Business on your PC. Do you prefer using WhatsApp Business on your PC or phone? Let me know in the comment. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.